Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but today I'm in the mood and everybody's asking about these new rules for PKs. So this is going to be a two-part YouTube tutorial. So it's going to be video 1 and video 2. So in the first video, we're going to talk about agency PKs. Okay, I got post screenshots, all type of different things, so you can understand what's the difference between an agency PK and what's the difference between a family PK. And if you guys notice, there has been a lot of new changes with the family PKs. So I'm going to talk about that in the family PK video that comes right after this one. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And share it with somebody that might need the information. Okay, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about agency PKs. All right? Now, agency PKs are where you sign up with your agency, right? Your agency posts a link, usually in a WhatsApp chat or in the Discord, and you will go ahead and click on that link, and you will sign up for different PKs. Now, you usually got friendly PKs, theme PKs, box PKs, what is that one? Impossible Star PKs, BIGO New PKs. There's a bunch of PKs that you can sign up for, okay? So we're going to run down some of the PKs so that you guys understand which ones you can sign up for, which ones you can do within your agency, and what would be easiest for you to do, okay guys? So when you sign up for an agency PK, right, you're going to get a link in your WhatsApp or your Discord that's related to your agency. Now, an agency is the company that you work for through BIGO. You know, you got an agency owner, and all of that, where you get your information as a host. So, you are only in the agency if you are a paid host on BIGO. Okay? A lot of people forget who their agency is. You got to make sure you check all your WhatsApp messages and your Discord messages so you can keep up with all your agency information. Okay? Okay. So when you click on the agency link, right, for your to sign up for PKs, you're going to go ahead and sign up for different PKs. You got 20-minute PK, which is Impossible Box PKs. You got the theme PKs. Right now they do it theme PK. It's a dance-off. You got dance-off PK. That's a 20-minute PK. Okay? You got friendly PKs. Those are 20-minute PKs as well. BIGO New PKs. Now listen, you can only sign up for a BIGO New PK if you are less than 3 months old on the BIGO app. So if you're over 3 months as a host, you can no longer sign up for the BIGO New PKs, because that is for new people on BIGO trying to get their feet, started and everything like that. Okay? So you got 3 months to sign up for BIGO New PKs. After the 90 days, you're no longer considered new. Okay? Canada Star and Box PKs. That is for Canadians. If you're in Canada, you can sign up for the Canada Star and Box PKs. Now, let me tell you what Box PKs are. When you sign up for Impossible Star or Box PKs, this means that you must have a lot of support that you know is going to come and throw heavy on you. You do not want to sign up for an Impossible Star PK or a Box PK if you are new as a host, because you don't have that support yet. You want to wait until you know that you have a lot of support where people can come drop a lot of shields, dragons, all type of stuff to get you to the Impossible Star, which is 5 stars, right? And then the Box PKs, which is 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. You could go up to 100 and something boxes. You could go up to 1,000 boxes if you really got that type of support. Okay? So remember, when you sign up for those PKs, you want to make sure that you have the support. The best agency PKs to sign up for when you're new is the BIGO New PKs, and the friendly PKs, and the theme PKs. Those PKs, you can get them, and you'll be matched up with random opponents, and you got to win. If you win, you get a beam bonus from BIGO. So let's go over one of the PKs, and I'll post a screenshot here. let's say you do a friendly PK, right? Which is most likely those are the main ones. Is the friendly PK. A friendly PK is 20 minutes long. BIGO is gonna randomly match you up with another host from another family, another agency, and you're gonna get 750 beans just to participate. So just if you show up to your agency PK, you're still gonna get 750 beans. Okay? The top 5 hosts every week will receive 10,000 beans. What that means is the top 5 hosts that have made a big margin on their friendly PK for that week will receive an extra 10,000 beans from BIGO. Okay? Okay? Now, yeah, so let's, now, what I want to do is I want to show you guys, give me a screenshot over here, please. Screenshot. Okay, now you see the screenshot? It shows you what how you sign up. It gives you the link. You see that link? It's a Google Doc link, okay? And when you click on that link, you're going to be taken to this page here. Screenshot, okay? And now you see this page. This is where you sign up for your PKs, okay? And when you sign up, once you sign up, what you can do is you can click on this link here, okay? And what it'll show you the lineup. You'll get to go see a day or two in advance if you're signed up for the PK and who you're going to be going against. Now listen, when it comes to agency PKs, please understand me very carefully. There are very limited slots. There's a lot of hosts on BIGO, okay? And there are very limited slots. So as soon as you see the link come up, you have to sign up as soon as possible because it comes first come, first serve. You understand? You may not get a PK if you only sign up for one and, somebody already took up that slot. So you want to sign up for as many PKs as possible because you want to make sure that you get a slot, okay? Now, this is the thing, though. With the agency PKs, you can do as many agency PKs as you want, but you have to do them every hour. You cannot do it no longer do it every half hour. It's only every hour now. So you sign up for a PK, let's say 5 o'clock, you can't do another one until 6 o'clock. Before you could do one 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock, 6:30. You cannot do that no more. You have to sign up for them on the hour. So you get one at 5, you can sign up for one at 6, and you get another one at 7. Okay? So that is it with agency PKs. Make sure that you reach out to your agency leader or your agency's assistant to find out where you can sign up for your agency PK, because I get this question asked a lot. This is one of my most asked questions. Where do I sign up for PKs? Your agency is supposed to provide you the link to sign up for the PKs. Okay? If I'm going to post out 2 of the Google Doc links down in the bottom, so you guys will know where to go. You guys can bookmark those links, and those links, you'll always have them when you need to sign up for PKs. Okay? So that's it with this part 1 video of agency PKs. Let's go into part 2 of the family PKs, because that one is a little longer. Talk to you in a few. So if you like my channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on every video. If you think I'm doing well and you want to learn some more, if there's any questions that you want to learn about, comment below and I'll get to your comment. Okay? I hope everybody have a blessed day. See you later. Bye. Pew pew. Pew pew.